This is a ruffled grouse tail, actually 3 tails that Dad put together. This is the red or rusty phase and then the gray phase. And have Dad tell you how he did this.
I took a piece of 1/4-inch plywood and cut this circle straight across the top so I could put the holder on to hang it on the wall.
And use screws to fasten that.
No screws.
No, there's screws there to hold the...
just to hold that clip. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. And then I had to lay it out the way I wanted it. And these little guys, I cut these notches on the saw, and that gave me the ability to slide the grouse tail right in there. And they're just in there friction fit into all 3 of these. So then I got everything laid out where I wanted it and how. Then I glued these down, but I just used a small amount of glue, about that much, right in the center. Just enough to hold them.
On the back, on the bottom side.
On the back, yep. And once that dried, I usually let, when I'm doing these projects, building cabins, something like this, I let the glue dry overnight before I start messing with it.
What kind of glue?
Well, this one, I believe I used this original tacky. To me, this is for little projects, logs and shingles. This tacky is just about the best glue I've ever used.
That dries clear?
Dries clear, very strong. You got other all-purpose white glues, dry fast and clear, so your choice. Well, that's about it.
Okay. Well, it turned out looking good. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.